Every single year I have a party that usually revolves around Canada Day or the summer solstice, which is the longest day of the year. And I thought that this year at the party would be the perfect opportunity to get my friends to react while intoxicated to one of the vehicles that I'm lucky enough to drive around. This is a brand new 2019 Nissan Titan, and without any further ado, here's a tour for my drunk friends.
On the wazoo.
You've got lightsaber.
In and around the wazoo.
Oh,
a few wazoos.
Oh, up
few
the
lights.
wazoo, up the wazoo, down the wazoo.
Welcome to our Nissan Titan review. I think that's what this is. Hold up, let me check the badging. Yeah, it's a Nissan Titan.
Like a tree.
Okay, no. Hey, we haven't started yet. Look at me. You gotta sync up.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna see right now.
All right. So Titan. So gods, right? Titans, then gods.
Okay, no, shut up.
Birth the gods.
All right, we got our boy Sam here in the bed of the truck. He's gonna tell us a little bit about the lights.
They're off.
They're currently off. But to turn them on,
you use this nice fancy door handle.
that's the door handle.
Look
You
at
got a
this
lit bed
illumination.
to keep it f***ing lit.
All around the bed of the truck. You can fit approximately about
Several Sams.
No.
Several Sams. You can
widthways, but only about like 7/8 of a Sam length.
7/8 of a Sam length, probably about 3 Sams wide.
And then bear in mind, I am scrawny. About like 3 Sams deep as well.
Ah, we got a Sam and a Sam.
2
A
Sams.
2 Sam.
Multiple Sams.
Not to be confused with the Tucson.
You have to get back in here.
Two Sam. Oh, mate, she's got black rims. All right, I'm gonna pop the
She's got black.
just
She's explain what's underneath.
She's got black rims, mate.
That's
Look at that.
That's
You hear
tough
that?
shit.
That's quality. I'm talking like eucalyptus eating and then brewing stuff. Quality. Rear view lights?
Also rear view lights.
I don't know which one's which.
Have you
Doesn't matter.
considered a canopy?
There's a moth in the car. Okay, hold on.
You want room to do literally anything? It's on.
It's my buddy.
You know how many people you could fit in here? 7. It's a 5-person truck. 7 people you could have in here. 1, 2, and 4 in the back. I can't even count how many buttons are here. Oh, the moth? Even the moth wants in. You can't even. In nature, they don't even know what a truck is. They want in.
So we left off on the interior.
All Titans come pre-owned with a lightsaber dish in their passenger side.
We know that they're lightsaber proof, which is important in the coming future.
So when we get to 2047, we'll be good.
We'll be prepped. We'll be all right.
You got cup holders. That's pretty neat. I'm about 6'1". We got some space. John's gonna take us into the driver's side, so I'm gonna use this handy little seat bar. It doesn't go further back than this, so I'm just gonna get out of the car.
When you get in the driver's side, you got a spot for your lightsaber, which is a luxury feature that most trucks don't have. So moving in, adjustable seating, incredibly important. Removable rear window. We can move forwards. We can move backwards. We can even move in the reclining position, and you can drive like you've always wanted to, just like this. I wouldn't recommend it. Don't take this as a recommendation. Right on this side, it says that door is open.
So much leg room. Amazing.
Just look how much shit you can fit in this. I'm shit.
Look, how spacious.
How do you pop the hood? Push on, push off. Ah, sneaky. Sam, get your incompetent ass out of the way.
Okay,
You clearly gotta go in.
I know, but
Lift up.
there wasn't enough space. So as you can tell, guys, this is a video.
Hood struts.
Whoa,
Hood struts. Keeps it up. You don't gotta put this little, you don't even have one because you have hood struts. We got the Nissan Titan V8, it's 5.6 liter. I don't know how many cubic inches that is. You do the math. We're pushing about 560 horsepower to the rear wheels. Easily. With all wheels, probably around 230. I'm not sure how much it brings it down. Pushing about 560 horsepower. Let's talk about this grill. You see this? Matte black. Nice finish. No chrome on here.
Come here. Grill up the front. I want you to see the grill. If you were working a barbecue, right, and this was your grill, I would. You know how many things you could grill with this? 2 George Foreman's.
Is this really that big that you need to call it a Titan? Maybe. I don't know.
Are you kidding me? 4. That's twice the normal of a regular truck. The way the headlights look on this thing, badass. So it's not just a simple square, but it's got that little slit to it. Oh my God, prime. Come in here. Let's go. Come on. Go hop in the interior, hop in the back seat here. So we're hopping in the actual truck itself. Oh my God, crisp, okay? Sweet leather itself. It's got traction control, obviously. You want that with your truck. AC for circulating into the truck. Bluetooth to your phone, obviously. Let's go hop out of the truck. Let's look into the box really quickly.
Oh, you know you like that line crap. I took down the tailgate here. I don't have to put any effort. Nice little thing.
Let's take a look at the back seat. Here, come in, I'll show you. MTV Cribs. MTV. Let's go. The seats are really nice back here. Cup holders for the back, obviously. Charging cable here at the back. Not a bad back seat. Let's hop out.
Look at that. Most geometry. Most lights end there, right?
You know what I appreciate?
no.
How fucking tall this antenna is. This is fucking nice and tall.
You see these rims? Ooh. Look at these. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why are you watering
5,
the
6,
concrete?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. That's crazy. I can't even count that high. Easy. Look how much space you have back there. You can sleep. You'll find a sleeping bag.
This is actually some solid coatings. We got the smooth rails for easy access of sliding shit in and out.
Are you kidding me?
Give me a light. How do you pop the hood here? Give me a light. Where is it?
What do you need, mate? I got you a light here.
There's no thing to pop the hood up.
There's nothing to pop the hood up.
I'm just being an idiot.
Watch
Hold
this.
on. Oh my god.
Boom. All right, let's go check out. Let's go check out the engine.
All right. Just noticed.
We need an expert opinion.
Doubles.
Daniela Machado Torres, come over here. Daniela's gonna run us through this engine.
Reese Brothers open up the hood for you, so we're gonna get Daniela to explain.
Daniela,
What?
come up here. Jump up. Jump up, Charlie. Start
This is a V8
massacring people.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Engine coolant, that's the word. So you know when everyone's like, "Oh shit, dude, you should have had a V8." Well, here you go.
I'm wiggling something. All right. You know what this is? Probably an air filter or something that has fuses on it. I don't know what it is. So we're gonna clip it back in. See these little things? Don't worry about these. We call these doohickeys. You get a complimentary lightsaber with every Nissan Titan. Okay, that's it. I'm so sorry. Don't go inside. You gotta go outside to do it. No, you need to have more room. That's how you do it, Thomas. That's how you do it. You gotta go outside to do this kind of shit.
I would love to see a flourish.
You gotta open it up like this.
I missed all of that.
You missed it all.
I'm ready.
Took Sam out. He's dead. That's the end game. We're fine.
Here we go again.
How do you pop the hood?
How do you pop the hood? There's nothing to pop the hood up.
Hood struts.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.